You're giving me back my ring? After everything I did for you and your family?
I know that's what you will capitalize on. Yes, you have done a whole lot for my father and I. But please, whatever you might have done for us is nothing compared to the love I have for Ikenna. I love him so much and I can't leave him because of you.
I see.
So just take your ring and go.
I see. You're saying this Gilberish because of that lunatic, right?
Please do not call him a lunatic.
No, he's a lunatic.
He is not.
You are giving me back my ring because of that lunatic.
He is not. Hey, okay. Welcome.
Now listen, let me tell you, fool. Listen, and listen very, very good. It's either I win or we both lose. Because as far as I'm concerned, you are not going to have her.
Alright, just shut up and leave this place. Okay? You have no portion in this heart. Yeah. So, just go.
Really?
You have no place here.
I see.
Sorry, what's that on your hand?
It's his ring and I've been giving it to him. He has refused to take it. Have your ring.
Come on.
I should get out. Okay then. We will know who is going to get out from the surface of this earth. We'll see to that.
Have your ring.
Hey! Take it!
It's okay.
It's okay. You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.